Hi there, welcome to week 8 of Raw TV. My name is Mr Hussain and I'm the faculty head of Mathematics and Science for K-12. We have had a busy and yet exciting week. Let me highlight a few things that have happened. The primary students hosted their first three-way conferences of the school year this week. This involved the teachers, students and parents sitting down together virtually to discuss the students' learning plans and sharing the goals that have been set for the school year. The day proved to be a great success with almost all of the primary parents joining, as well as all of our single subject integrators who are also heavily involved in the process. In high school, students have been extremely busy across different subjects. In MYP Mathematics, students were given opportunities to extend their learning by applying them in authentic contexts such as carbon dating and examining the intensities of earthquakes. They have really enjoyed applying their learning to real-life contexts. In HSD Computer Science, students have been working on blockchain technology. Students explored the advantages and disadvantages of digital security and cryptocurrencies. This has been a fantastic way to engage our senior students in future career pathways. In DP Biology, students have observed fossil records and the law of fossil succession to learn more about evolution of Homo sapiens. And in DP Music, students have had an inspiring workshop with our in-house English teacher, Mr Sadali, who is also a co-founder and partner of Goje Music and Arts Collective Dance. The opportunity for cross-discipline learning at ISS has been thoroughly enjoyed by our students. And finally, our English B students had their oral examinations earlier this week. A busy 2 days of preparation and assessment, but some wonderful outcomes for all students and teachers. Since our university advisors coffee morning last week, the grade 11 students have been actively reflecting and researching their choice of universities upon graduation. It is heartening to see that they have commenced this very important planning process so early and have made connections to their personalized learning goals this year. As you can see, it has been a very busy week on campus. We understand that it has not been ideal for home-based learning for students and teachers, but there have been many silver linings to this circumstance for our students. Primary students have been inquirers as they have started their new units of inquiry online. They have been principled in their organization of the school day. They have been risk takers and trying new online resources and apps to support their learning. In school, the ECAs have been suspended till further notice. We are also ensuring that all staffs and students adhere to strict social distancing requirements on campus. Let's work together to contribute to a safer community. On behalf of this school, I'd like to thank everyone in support of the measures we are undertaking to keep the community safe and keep the situation under control. Stay safe. Thank you.